The cabin air filter in your 2015-2020 Chevy Tahoe is located behind the passenger side glove box. First, fully open the glove box and remove its contents. Depress the glove box stops. These are small tabs on the sides to lower it completely. You might need to disconnect any wiring or hinges for full access. Once open, locate the plastic cover on the side of the HVAC housing. It's often secured by clips or screws. Remove this cover to reveal the cabin air filter. Carefully pull out the old filter, noting the direction of the airflow arrow printed on its side. This arrow indicates the airflow direction and ensures proper installation of the new filter. Make sure you extract the old filter carefully to avoid any dust or debris falling into the HVAC system. Slide the new cabin air filter into the housing, making sure the airflow direction arrow on the filter aligns with the direction you noted earlier. This is crucial for the filter to work effectively. Once the new filter is in place, reattach the plastic cover to the HVAC housing, securing it with the clips or screws you removed earlier. Next, reassemble the glove box by reconnecting any wiring or hinges and pushing it back into its normal position until the glove box stops, click into place. After everything is reassembled, start your Tahoe and check the HVAC system to ensure it's functioning correctly. Consider resetting any maintenance reminders via the infotainment system if your model has that feature. Regularly changing your cabin air filter every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually keeps your Tahoe's air clean and your HVAC system running efficiently.